Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove object from video in CapCut. So here, just add the video that you want to edit, and let's say I want to remove this object here from the video. So you can just use the masking feature in CapCut. First, what you need to do is just copy the clip, okay, and make one of the clip as overlay, and in here on the overlay just find the masking here. Then here I'm going to just use the rectangle one, and let's isolate the color, or here I'm going to masking the part, the table here that doesn't have these things right here, the things that I want to remove, like this for example. And after that, just click on the check icon. Now on the overlay, just move it until it cover the object that I want to remove, okay, like this. So this will be the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.